It is I, Rami. This is not a doomsday scenario. I am not encouraging you to hoard supplies and prevent others from having access to them. I am simply asking Christ to accept the very real probability that living here is about to have different living conditions. Going from stores that are overflowing with affordable goods to stores with empty shelves and prices that will put what is on the shelves unaffordable to most will be a very difficult transition. If Christ can be ahead of the curve, this will help greatly. This will be one more tool in your vast toolbox to model to others. What will you model? You will model acceptance and joy as the consumer age contracts and finally ends. While others lose their marbles, you will keep yours. The Christ offices are not materialistic at all, but you each have enjoyed certain lifestyles. Now I am asking you to make lemonade out of lemons and enjoy a new lifestyle with less. No one will escape what's coming, not even the very wealthy. Everyone will have to prioritize and cut back. There will be no other choice. Think of the possibilities to express love in tough times. There can be potlucks, book exchanges, old-fashioned salons where people gather to civilly converse. There can be yard sales where goods or services are exchanged instead of money. In other words, everyone will be forced to reevaluate and embrace relationship building instead of the mind-numbing consumerism of the past 70 years. With wisdom, Rami.